G'day guys, welcome back to another video. This is a bit of a short video, just some ideas out there. A lot of people have got their Nissan Patrols, Land Cruisers, whatever, mostly set up for the turbo diesel. So if you want to work out and make something up, it's going to keep your or keep the EGT gauge temperatures down. Don't go out there and spend in the hundreds. I know they've got the upgrade of the bigger intercooler system. There's lots of brands out there, but you're going to pay anything between 15, 16, up to $2,000 and upwards. And they have an inbuilt fan, and that's what makes the difference. So I've got this aftermarket one here. It's not a factory one, but it's not genuine, but it does the job. And I thought, well, trying to work out the best ways of obviously keeping my EGT gauge temperatures cooler. They run between 4, 4.5 and 5, which is not too bad comparing other temperatures out there I've seen on YouTube. So I thought, well, having a way of keeping that down is obviously mounting a fan. So I've bought this fan. Cost me around about $100, just from your auto repair shop or your auto parts store, whatever you got in your state. And you just got the cable tie, zip tie, cable tie. So they just run through right down to the end. So that's the top. Now you can run your fan. I've seen some setups where they run their fan on top of the actual intercooler, so when you open your hood you're going to see the fan. I didn't like that idea. I reckon maybe they do run a little bit cooler doing that way because it's blowing the hot air in, but yeah, just depending how much clearance you've got underneath your between the intercooler and the engine. If you've got enough clearance, you should be fine. So I'm going to install this one. So I might do probably a part 2 of this video. So I'm going to install this one. They're pretty easy to install. Just your earth there, and then your power. And also I'm going to hook up just a bit of a switch. So I've had this switch in a while, so I thought, well, I'll use it, just a toggle switch. So I'm going to use that. So if I do need to switch it off, which I probably won't, just having it run whenever, but if you've pulled over, it's a cold day and you've pulled over or whatever, just let the car idle. You don't need it, you can just switch them off. So there you go, guys. I will definitely let you know the performance wise and how it's going to perform. Is it going to run cooler? Is it a waste of money? So I've seen other YouTube videos out there, and lots of other guys using these on their patrols. Different type, well, not just patrols, but other four drives that are running turbos, intercoolers. So yeah, I thought, well, give it a go and keep those temperatures cool. The cooler the better. So this brand here, it's just a thermal fan. So yeah, Davies Craig, which is obviously a good brand. I got told here, so you can probably go any other fan, but this is 8-inch, I believe, 8 or 9-inch. 8-inch, yep, I see it in the box. 8-inch. I couldn't go any bigger. So the one I did see a few weeks ago I was going to buy, it was a 10-inch and it hung over the sides. I thought, well, I could have mounted that, but yeah, I thought, well, I'll get the one exactly same size, and this one has fitted just perfectly. And I've took the intercooler off, and I've given the intercooler a good clean, degreaser and a hose down. I've taken the map sensor or boost sensor, gave it a good clean as well, plugged it up. So yeah, now install this and see how it goes. So I might do a part 2 video and let you know the results. Other from that, take care, guys, and see you next time. To maybe don't forget to thumbs up and share the video and subscribe and help me grow this channel. Had more videos to come in the future. Alright, take care, guys. See ya.